Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and I'm the mom here to the 3 arrows. We have Lana's 11, Cayman is 7, and Malachi is 5. If you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and tap that bell. Today's video is a little bit different and it's going to be broken up into multiple parts because it's going to take multiple parts. But I want to show how, and I'm new at this, okay? I'm new. But I want to show how I do my sourdough. I'm about to feed her. And then I'm going to show you how I make my bread. I am going to feed her today, like right now, give her some time to bubble, and then I'm going to get her set up to be able to make some bread tomorrow. So there's going to be a few steps in there. And I'm going to talk you through what I do. But again, I'm no pro. I'm new at this. This will only be the 3rd loaf of bread that I've made. I've got my last loaf sitting here that we're still eating on, and I do not have a bread box. So yes, it's wrapped in tin foil. If you have a better way, please let me know. So I do not have a name for my sourdough yet, and I want to name my starter. So tips on that. Just what do you think I should name her? What should I name her? I'm a huge Office fan. So bonus points if it's Office related. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how I feed her, what I do, and yeah. Okay, so not the best view, but it's the best view of my starter. So I'm going to take 1/4 of a cup and put in 1/4 cup of unbleached flour. Tap that in there, and then I'm going to do half of this of water. And then I'm going to give her a good stir, and I'm going to try to scrape down. Now, some of this, like right here, is left over from the previous or from when I've got poured out my discard or poured out for my baking, and I need a little bit more water. It's okay, just put them in there. All right, and then I'm going to scrape along the sides to try to get as many air bubbles into the bottom as I can. Give it another quick stir. And then I'm just going to cover, and I'm going to take and put my filter. This is just a coffee filter on top with a hairband around it to keep any type of little bugs or dust out of my starter. So now I'm going to take her and put her in our living room. Our house is not heated, and so I have to put her in there where we have a heater, and then that's going to be dinner tonight. And then let her sit in there, and when there's bubbles around here and she's nice and bubbly, she'll be ready to bake. Well, she'll be ready to start the process of baking. All right, since this is the warmest spot in the house, she's going to go on the floor beside the magnetized and close to the heater. And that's where she'll sit.